I just got a comment requesting a Fartcoin prediction today, so I'll record it right now. Check back in 5 minutes. If you want the price prediction, just request it and I will check it out. Fartcoin is really interesting. We had an incredible win rate on it. We predicted this whole dip, and it's going to be very, very interesting. It might not be over, by the way. Here's a few things that I want you to know about, because this dip was just so easy to do. It was so easy to trade this dip. It's actually incredible. It's incredible. Shorts are look, longs haven't even closed yet. Look at how many longs we need to close. But this time we'll have a buying opportunity very soon, because shorts on the 3-hour time frame have definitely peaked a lot. We actually have a huge amount of shorts, 4 mil, 4 mil, 2 mil shorts, 500k, 8 mil, 1 mil, 3 mil. So a lot of new shorts have been opened, and we are looking for them to close below 80. And this is how the way we'll see the dip. So this is exactly how I'm planning to play Fartcoin out. Fartcoin, we buy when first thing we want to see is VWAP curving up on the daily chart with Hekinashes. So 1 day daily VWAP up. Second thing is 3-hour shorts close below 80. This happens and we do an incredible long. This is exactly how I'm planning on playing this out. I'll be very interested in this trade. I'm very, very happy, and we will take profit for 0.08 cents or 0.04. So ATR or half ATR. This is the average price it's moving per candle. So that's gonna be so beautiful. I'm very interested in this trade. I'll set up some alerts right now. For that, I'll set up alerts when this closes. I'll make a custom script on with ChatGPT to add it to my chart. But I'm very excited. This will be very nice. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins. If you want to learn more about my strategy, use the link in the description below. Plus 8 grand worth of bonuses from BingX. Love you with all my heart. This video is no financial advice. Man, it feels good to be trading. Stay safe.